Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. But after today's price movement, a very interesting dynamic now is underway, and this dynamic really revolves around two things. The first part of it is just the upper portion of this little sideways channel that had formed, and the upper portion of that channel being the red line resistance valued at $14.50. And you can see that the price is essentially right there at $14.50. So right now the question becomes, is the price going to ultimately be able to get the breakout from this sideways channel? But what makes this that much more interesting, and it's hard to see because there's so much kind of congestion right here, but you also have the purple line right there, the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average that is also essentially right at the same value of that red line, and that purple line is also essentially the level that has been pushing it down. So you have two key dynamics. You have not only the $14.50 mark acting as resistance, but you also have that purple line there, the 50-period moving average acting as resistance. So this brings up the big old question going into Wednesday of, can the price actually get the breakout through that level? And this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of these dynamics. And I make that comment because when lots of people are watching the same things and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very interesting and very dynamic price movements. So, no such thing as a guarantee, but my core point here is if the price can start to get some separation from $14.50 to the upside, that could very well create that much more, buying pressure just because it's the self-fulfilling prophecy of, hey, it's a breakout and it's, continuing to break out. So watch that level and, just general area very, very closely. In the event the price does continue to separate, then next key overall level of resistance headed into Wednesday, right up there around $15.20. So like I said, a lot of people are going to be watching, wondering, can this price finally get the breakout? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.